Hey guys, it's summertime and you know you are getting ready to have those uninvited guests. We are talking wasps, and I'm going to tell you how to get rid of these pesky little critters before they get a hold of you or your family. Stay tuned. Hey guys, welcome to the channel, CraigHowToPest.com. If you've never been to this channel before, guys, and don't know what it's about, I'm going to tell you right now. This is where we highlight professional grade products, and then we show you DIYers how to use them. If that's something that's of interest to you guys, hit that subscribe button down below, and these videos come out multiple times a week. Also, guys, we are going to throw links up in the channel during the video, and you can direct order by punching on those links. Guys, it's YouTube shopping, and it couldn't be any easier. So if you see a product you like, just hit that button. But hey, without any further ado, let's get into today's video. Welcome back to the channel, CraigHowToPest.com. It is a beautiful summer day. You are in the backyard just enjoying your yard, your barbecue, and your pool with your friends and family. And what happens? You get those uninvited wasps. You've heard the screams in the pool. Ah, the splashing of the water. You know, you've been there. You pick up a Coke can and they've been attracted to the sugar and you almost swallow one of these bad boys. Well, we are going to stop that from happening, because what's happening now is they are building those nests. Guys, we're talking paper wasps, and they can build nests fast. Guys, a queen wasp can lay up to 10 to 15 eggs and more a day. And she can just keep laying these throughout her cycle. So what we're gonna do today, we're gonna show you how to solve that problem once and for all, how to knock down these suckers, take your yard back, and reclaim your property. Today's product is gonna be Wasp Freeze II. And this is from BASF. I know you pros out there have heard of this. It's a fantastic product because it's in a can. You just shake, you aim, and spray. This thing will reach 15 to 20 feet. They say 15 to 20. I measured this in one video. It went 25 feet. So they are underplaying their card with that one, guys. It goes a lot further. And this is a fast knockdown. How quick of a knockdown is this with wasps? It's so fast they can't even release the pheromone stinger. So it's going to protect you, the applicator, the DIYer that's trying to reclaim your yard. Man, take a look right here. We got a wasp nest right here. Now this one, as you can see, it's got the eggs in it. You see those white things? That's how many eggs a queen has laid. Now, there are no eggs in this one. Bam, I'm going to grab this bad boy for you. Did you see that? No eggs. I meant no wasps. There's no wasps, so I don't know why it's not active. Maybe they've moved on. But it is what it is, right? So we're done with that. We toss it aside. Now, Wasp Freeze. I mentioned PPE, personal protective equipment, in all of my videos. Well, this one doesn't have it, but I'm going to give you the bare minimum that Craig recommends you should have on to protect yourself. I'd say put a pair of gloves on because you don't know if residual is going to get on your hands. It's still a pesticide. And protect your eyes from the backsplash. Now, where can you put Wasp Freeze? It's an outdoor product, but you can put it in your attics. You can put it in your crawl spaces. Now, if you get up under those crawl spaces and you spray this, I'm going to recommend you have a hat on. I'm going to tell you get on those long sleeves, those long pants, because you're under that nasty basement. Wasp Freeze, will it just take care of wasps? Nope. Black widows, brown widows, brown recluse. Man, the ones that can kill you. This bad boy will wipe those suckers out. Direct contact. We're talking knock them down so fast, they don't even have time to think about it, man. We're talking hit and die, and I'm going to show you because I'm going to wipe out some wasps. You saw me knock down that one with no wasps. Let's go ahead and find some with wasps. Oh, look at this little sucker right here. You see the eggs? You see the wasps? I'm going to let the camera get up in there. There are some wasps hanging out. When is the best time to do a treatment for wasps? The best time to do a treatment is in the evening or early in the morning. Why? Because they're all back at the nest. And they're not back at the nest hovering. You're not going to see their wings out. They're in there, and the camera showed you that, but they're in for the night. And they're in permanently, because I'm about to knock these bad boys down. So you're going to shake this can up. When you take the lid off on Wasp Freeze II, you're going to notice right here, it's hard to see on here, but it has a little line right in there. And that is a marker for upward spraying. So you're going to turn the nozzle there. If you were spraying down, let's say you were going into the ground to treat nests in the ground, bees, hornet nests in the ground, whatever it may be, you just turn the nozzle for a downward spray. But everything we're doing is going to be overhead. Now you want to stand back. You don't want to be with the wind coming at you and this stuff's blowing back in your face, hitting you in your pie hole. You don't want that. So just make sure you're standing with the wind at your back, pushing it towards the wasp and not towards your face. Okay, so let's go ahead. We've shook this can up. Let's give these bad boys a little whack. I'm gonna step back. You wanna get back, you know, a couple feet. I'm probably back 10 feet right now. And let me show you how this works. This bad boy is wound up. That's it. Look at them fall. They don't even know what hit them. These bad boys are on the ground right now. Look at this. Look at the nest. It's still up there. So what do you need to knock that down if you can't reach it? You need a pole right here and a JT Eaton brush. A web brush, guys. This right here will reach up to 2-story houses. I think it gets like 25, 30 feet up in the air. We're going to put it right here in a QR code. We're going to put Wasp Freeze in a QR code right here. You want that product? You think this works for you or something you'd like to have to protect you and your family? We're talking YouTube shopping. Man, you hit that little QR code right there and this bad boy will go straight to your house. But man, let's move on. I got more to show you. Let's get this bad boy out of there. Look at that. Those wasps don't even know what hit them. Look at that. Those were future wasps. No more. They done. All right, moving on, guys. Let's see what we got here. We got one little one right there, but hey, one little one's one too many, right? That could be in your soda can. Here we go. Boom, he's done. Look at him. Look at him right there. Get the camera in there. You see that? This guy doesn't know what hit him. Look at that. On the ground. He's on the ground, and they are no more. Let's move on over here. Oh, you're going to like this one. You are going to like this one. Look at these bad boys. If you can't tell, wasps get me excited. People freak out about them, but they are an easy thing to take care of, especially if you have yourself some Wasp Freeze II from BASF. You want that, you jump over to howtopest.com, you hit that QR code, and this bad boy's coming directly to your house. Am I selling you products? Heck yeah, I'm selling you products. If I just tell you how to take care of wasps, but I don't tell you the product you need or how to get that product, what good does it do you? So you guys out there to go, they just selling product. Yeah, I'm selling product. I'm telling you how to kill the wasp, and I'm telling you where to get the product. It's that simple, guys. Here we go. Can's wound up. You see those bad boys right there? Is that camera zoomed in on these suckers? Watch this. Boom. Look at that. That's it. Look at those guys floating around. They don't know what's going on, but they're dropping. You see them dropping? Keep that camera on there. Look at, I don't need any more than that. What was that, about a 3-second spray? If that, they're done. Look at this. Look at that, on the ground. Pick it up. You see that? Wasp Freeze II. I went to Pound Town on these bad boys. Gone. Move over here. Here we go. Here's a pretty one for you. You guys are going to love this one. Check this bad boy out. This is what we originally got called out for because this was an accounting department of a building and these ladies were freaking out. Why? Get in there. Get in there with that camera. Can you see all them wasps in there in for the night? They are in permanently. I'm going to stand back right here. Camera's on them. We're going to hit them. 1, 2, 3. It's easy as peasy. You saw that. Look at that. You may think I'm cheesy. I don't care, guys. I'm showing you how to kill wasps. Look at that. I hit it. I knock it down. Check it out. Those are wasps' eggs that'll never hatch. You have just protected your family. Your wife loves you. Now, you see it's on the window. It's not going to do anything to it, guys. What you do need to be worried about on some of these is it can leave a darkening spot on asphalt. I've never seen it happen. I've used this on buildings like this hundreds of times. Never had an issue. But the label does say that it can stain certain surfaces or leave a darkening mark. So this right here, I've been to this building so many times. It's a huge complex, guys, and we've used this a ton. Never had an issue. So that's why I'm not reluctant just to hit that up there right there. Will it make the glass a little glossy? They're going to have a window cleaner come out here or janitor? Yeah, probably, but they don't have wasps, so nobody's getting stung. Look at it right here. I want the camera to come in here. Come in here. Look at these wasps. Get in close on these. That is every wasp that was up in that nest. Look at this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and any that possibly hit the ground that were on that nest. Those are 11 little stinger suckers that are not going to sting you and your family in your backyard, in your pool, in your soda can, and maybe your bourbon, because that's full of sugar. And you're going to be wasp free, guys. I don't think we have any more wasp nests. No, we are just about done. We knocked down about 4 or 5 of these bad boys, so they are going to be wasp free. Thrilled to death, I guarantee you. A little excited in this video, I already told you. And Proud of it, guys. Appreciate all the thumbs up out there. You guys that have not subscribed to that channel, do us a favor, hit that subscribe button down below, and you'll see my nonsense 3 times a week, maybe more. If you have any comments in that comment section down below, I'm happy to answer them for you. Craig, howtopest.com.